Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver coming back again with another video for y'all this evening. And I want to say thanks for everyone coming back. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can get updated every time that I make a video, which is daily. So we just had this recent price pump action happen here, and we're going to take a look at the charts to see what they could be telling us about this. Are we headed to 10K? That's a possibility. So hang in there and let's get the video started. All right, we're going to take a look at our 1 hour here and move from there. So as you can see, we put in that red money flow here. It does kind of look like we are moving back to the upside now. So our pump already recently just happened now. And what I could say now is that, yeah, we are looking extremely bullish right now. So I'm going to turn on our SR here. And I saw this dump down to the 9K area the other day, or yeah, and I would hope that my everyone had taken their profits on their shorts there. So I know 9K was that area that we were kind of looking for in confluence with a few other price targets as well. So it does just look like the bulls just stepped in completely to push this back to the upside here. Let's take a look at our 2 hour. We're going to turn off SR. So now we can see that we are pretty much in clear takeoff zone for the most part. I feel like there's not a lot of resistance up here for the most part. So we're gonna keep a close eye on this. Our 2 hour money flow does look like it wants to start to move to the green just a tad bit. So I feel like it's not too late to get in on a long just right now. I feel like we still have quite a bit more room to the upside here. So we're going to wait to see how our daily candle closes and determine whether or not we have more room to the upside here. So we could get some consolidation here before we start to move further to the upside. But I feel that this money flow is telling us that we probably have more room to the upside too as well on our 2 hour here. Take a look at our 4 hour. 4 hour, we played off of this blood diamond here, and that did push us down to the downside to that 9K area, and then immediately we had this bounce back up to the top side. So this was kind of a little bit unexpected, you know, but that's how BTC does whenever it pumps. It just kind of leaves you in the dust basically sometimes too. But we can see here that our money flow is looking really healthy on our 4 hour too as well, and that we probably have this money flow that's going to play out to the green side even longer now. So as we start to move up here, this is looking pretty bullish for us on the 4 hour. And then our 8 hour here, it did kind of look like it wanted to move into the red money flow, but I think now it's starting to move back to the upside here. So I would say that our money flow is going to look nice and healthy here on our 8 hour as well too, to continue more movement to the upside. Take a look at our 12 hour. Our 12 hour has a buy signal now. So some of us played off of this sell signal here and brought us down to 9K, which is a pretty good play too. You know, about a 400 point, 500 point move. Now this buy signal here is probably going to be pretty good. So I would say more or less it's not too late if you do want to get in on a long. But we could probably move all the way up into our 10K region, probably within by the end of this week, I would assume. So take a look at our 1 day. Our 1 day had a sell signal. Well, we've seen how that doesn't play out well sometimes either, you know. So now we have a green dot appearing on our Cipher B. So sometimes our last sell signal here also kind of faked us out just a tad bit, and then we had a buy signal put in. So I would assume that because our money flow is looking pretty healthy, we have a green dot here. We do have a little bit of a bearish divergence happening. So I would say that if we hit 10K by the end of this week, that's probably going to be some resistance for us as well, based on our last time that we moved up to that 10K area and topped out. We had wick up to 10.3 in about 9.9. So I would say that this is probably going to be some resistance for us just a tad bit based on our 1 day chart. Now, what I'm kind of getting in confluence is that we need to wait for this 1 day to close, and whether or not it's going to just be you know, kind of just a mad wick to the upside is yet to be determined. Let's take a look at our Heikinashis. So yeah, as you can see, the candle body hasn't really closed really high, which could indicate that this could have just been a nice little wick to the upside possibly too. So let's take a look at our 2-day here. 2-day still has a sell signal. I find that kind of interesting right now, to be honest, but you know, that could mean that, you know, this could have just been a nice little fake out wick to the upside here, and that we continue downwards too. Is yet to be determined, but our 2-day also is moving into our greenish money flow as well. So it's still looking pretty bullish to me for the most part. I would say that we're probably going to need to close above 10, probably above like the 9.7 area, 9.8 area for me to turn bullish to where I would see 10K by the end of this week. But that is yet to be determined. So guys, I am doing a giveaway at 5,000 subs, and the way to qualify for that is to get signed up for the newsletter. So I hope that y'all have already signed up, and I have had a lot of people ask me how I get my whales buy sell indicator set up too. So I've given instructions to my Patreons already on how to do that, but I will be delivering that same video to y'all by the end of this week or possibly this weekend to people that get signed up for the newsletter. And I do have a Telegram group and a Discord group. If y'all want to join those, y'all can, and feel free to reach out to me on those platforms as well. The Patreon is available for those that want to join. You know, if you want to help support the channel. I also have my top 2 altcoins that I am in heavy accumulation of right now at this moment, that may, you know, they're going to give us a little bit of extra time if you feel like BTC has kind of left you in the dust just a tad bit. These 2 altcoins will definitely give you a little bit of extra time to accumulate, but one of them could end up even flipping the market cap of BTC as well too. So but yeah, if y'all want to help support the channel, I do have the TradingView account affiliate link down there as well. I use the Pro Plus plan. Just in case y'all are interested. We're going to take a look at our 3-day here. We're cleanly above these EMAs now, and it's looking pretty bullish to me for the most part. So our 1-day will be determination of whether or not this was a fake out or not. So based on our 1-day candle close, we're going to kind of keep an eye on that, whether or not we close above the 9.7 or I would say 9.65 area, then we can determine whether or not we're going to continue further to the upside here. Taking a look at our 4-day, still some clean momentum to the upside here with our Heikinashis looking really, really healthy here. So our 5-day looking really nice as well too. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all again. So I'll be studying more over the charts, and also if y'all are interested in any altcoins that y'all want me to review, please feel free to reach out to me, and we can go over some altcoin charts together as well. Most of the time I just stick to the BTC charts on the YouTube channel, but if you are part of the Patreon group, I will gladly do some altcoin videos for y'all as well too. So y'all let me know what y'all want would like to see from me, and if anything, we can go over some of those charts together. So I am doing the Ledger Nano S giveaway, but if you want, you can go ahead and buy your Ledger Nano X, and you get a free Ledger Nano S when you buy a Nano X right now. So they're doing a special for those that purchase the X, they get a free Ledger Nano S. So y'all can use that link down in the description box below to buy yourself a new ledger if you'd like to, or if hodling is your strategy, that would work as well. If y'all do want to start leverage trading, it's not recommended really, but if y'all are interested, y'all can get signed up with the Bybit link, and then also you can message chat support and ask them how to use the testnet. So not really depositing your BTC, but using fake BTC to make sure that you have your trading algorithm down and that you are profitable before you deposit your BTC. That's highly recommended that you use a testnet first. If you are a USA resident, then you can use Prime XBT to leverage trade as well. Y'all can check that out. I use the Brave browser to browse the web too, so y'all can check that link down in the description box below, and I earn BAT token every time I click on an ad. So as you can see here, I've been earning BAT token every time that I click on an ad as well. The CryptoTab browser is an easy way to start mining Bitcoin straight from your web browser. So y'all can use that link to start mining Bitcoin. Easy way to get set up and help support the network too. So we're taking a look at our weekly here. Weekly is looking healthy. Money flow is moving into the green here as well. RSIs are on a steady uptrend, so weekly is looking nice too. Let's take a look at our 2-week. I know this is one that CryptoFace has just been kind of looking at right now as well too. What we're kind of waiting for is this money flow to start moving into the greenish territory. So as you can see here, we dipped down just a little bit, but every time we continued back to the upside. So we are kind of looking for that move back into the greenish money flow area to continue our bull runs. So, and then our monthly chart looking really nice here with this green candle body looking super healthy. So money flow is looking good. Green dot there still played in. So February could be a nice little month for us too. And I would say some of these altcoins are going to do really well. So if y'all want me to go over any altcoins, feel free to message me on the Discord. Or I also have Twitter and Instagram. Y'all can follow me on there as well. And yeah, I do want to give a shout out to my Patreon members as well. So BTC Punisher, Ayuk In, Ogus Dagasoy, Paul A. Keller, Pedro Cardenas, and Unique Object. Thanks, y'all. I really appreciate the support, and feel free to message me if y'all have any questions. With that being said, stay safe out there, y'all, and I'll be making a video every single day. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can get updated on all these Market Cipher update videos using looking at the BTC charts. CTO signing out.